In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make my absolute favorite roasted sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts recipe. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney and I'm always on the hunt for a good vegetable recipe. And this particular one I'm getting ready to show you how to make combines sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts together roasted in the oven. And since 90% of what I eat is plant-based, what I love to do with this recipe is split it up between 2 meals. So that's 2 lunches during the week that all I have to do is pop it in the microwave, reheat it, and I'm ready to stuff my face. I love healthy comfort food, and this is one of my favorites. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, because there are going to be a lot more videos coming. Let's do this.
Starting with our ingredients, we have 1 pound Brussels sprouts, 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons avocado or coconut oil, 2 tablespoons maple syrup. We're going to start by preparing our garlic. Using the flat side of your knife, smash each one like it owes you money. Don't be shy here. Smash that baby good. Then you're going to peel the skins off of each one. These are definitely skins you don't want to eat. I usually chop off the butts because I don't want the butts in my vegetable dish today. No butts today, please. Thank you. If you don't want big chunks of garlic in your dish, this is a good time to start chopping away to get it to a fine mince. I do love garlic, however, I don't want to take a big bite into a huge chunk, and this distributes it more evenly throughout the vegetables. If only I could chop as fast in real life as I do in these videos, I could get a lot more done in a day. Speed up to 500%, please. When preparing Brussels sprouts, you want to cut off the end, slice them in half, and then just remove maybe 1 or 2 of the outside layers. One thing you could do with the discarded parts of the Brussels sprouts is go back and watch my juicing video. This would be a great vegetable to juice, to use in smoothies. Multitasking here, people. Multitasking. Moving on to our sweet potatoes, I have peeled and cut off the ends of our sweet potatoes, and I'm just going to start by slicing them into even rounds. These are about 1/2 inch in thickness. From here, I'm going to grab one of those Brussels sprouts because I want to cut the sweet potatoes to be about the same size as the Brussels sprouts so that they cook evenly together. Now that all of our veggies have been chopped, we are going to throw them together in a big bowl like one huge happy dysfunctional family all together. Drizzle in that oil and maple syrup. We're going to add some dried Italian seasoning for a little bit of extra flavor, and then toss all of that together so that everything is evenly coated. Spoon the veggies into our greased baking dish. I highly recommend a 9 by 13 inch, which is not what this is, but I highly recommend a 9 by 13 inch because when they're spread out more, they roast a little bit better. Oopsies. Bake in a 400-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until the potatoes are tender and the Brussels sprouts are roasted. Now it's time to sprinkle these babies with some sea salt. Give them a nice little stir here, and then we're going to distribute these to our dishes. 1 for now, 1 for later. 1 for now, 1 for later. Ooh, that's the now plate with those pretty little babies.
What time is it? It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. What I usually like to do here is make sure I get a fork full of sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts all in one bite because I love the combination of the two. The sweetness of the maple syrup and the sweet potatoes with the savory of the Brussels sprouts and the If you want to know what's one of my most favorite healthy comfort foods, right here, this right here. If anybody ever tells you that eating healthy means you don't eat good food, slap them upside the head with a sweet potato. That wraps it up for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.